Hi, this is a demonstration to guide you how to use our custom relationship management system. First of all, let's find this website on Google, www.fxiaoke.com. Okay, this is one and we open it. Switch the language here and we choose English. We see login. And on this interface, that if you see the language is Chinese, let's switch language here. We choose English. And we log in by account way. And we choose email way. Use your previously authorized mailbox and password to log in. Here is an example. Now we log in successfully. This is the main interface of this custom relationship management system. And if you want to switch your language, you can switch it here. And we mainly use CRM functions. On the left, you will see there are 4 modules: the CRM Reminder, CRM To-Do, Inquiry Record, and Shop Order. CRM Reminder means the message from system you will get notice here. CRM To-Do means if their work needs you to check or handle, you will get notice here. And Inquiry Record and Shop Order are the main 2 functions that we recommend you to use. Let's see them one by one. This is the interface of Inquiry Record. This is an example, and let's see how to create your inquiry. This button is New Create. Press it. Leave your message on this page. Product category. Choose the item that you need to buy. Plate, gasket, brace plate heat changer, and gasket plate heat changer. Let's do an example. Let's make item B. Thickness, we give you all options. Plate material, all options. Gasket material, and gasket type. Quantity. If you have pictures, put your pictures here. And if you have the original datasheet and drawing, upload them here. And Incoterms means you want Hofmann to cut your FOB Beijing price or CIF destination price. And put your detailed requirement here. Then submit. Now, we have completed the inquiry record. Meanwhile, at our side, the responsible sales receive your inquiry and we will reply you immediately. Then you will get a notice as CRM to do. Then you open this inquiry. You will find Hofmann price here. This is the complete demonstration to show how to create an inquiry on this system. Let's move to the shop order module. After you place the order, Hofmann logistic person will upload your order here. You can check by selecting your order number here or PO number here. Also, you can select here PO number, order number. And let's take this order for example. Here we have 3 kinds of order status: in production, packing, and sent. If the order status is in production, please wait impatient. If the order status is packing, you will have the packing information here, the packing size, the packing weight, and the packing pictures. If the order status is sent, you'll even get the tracking number here. With those functions, you will have all the order records on this system. This is for now. We will have more functions to be realized on this system soon. Thanks for watching.